Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to reply to Google Business Profile comments using OpenAI. Now here my objective is that whenever a new review will be created on my business in Google Business Profile, then automatically I want to generate a reply for that comment by using OpenAI, and then I want to post the same reply to that comment. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to integrate all these applications, and that we are going to do with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now here we have Google Business Profile in our trigger, and then we have OpenAI and again Google Business Profile in our action. So we are going to connect all of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically generate and post the replies or response on the reviews which we get on our business on Google Business Profile. Here, in order to generate the replies for the reviews, we are going to use OpenAI, and with the help of OpenAI, we are going to automatically generate the replies for the reviews. Okay, we are going to create this automation by setting up a simple integration between Google Business Profile and OpenAI, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of this amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect. This URL in our browser. Once you will reach here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user like me, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the All App section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on Access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders here to save the workflows. As you can find, I have two folders. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating multiple folders, we can save our workflows accordingly on the dashboard. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option, which is given on the right corner in blue color. So let's do that, and here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, it is provide a name over here. Auto reply to Google Business Profile comments using OpenAI. And after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save the workflow. So from the drop down here, I'm going to select this test integrations folder. Let's click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us: trigger and action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts or the two main principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. So let's suppose we are going to take Google Business Profile in our trigger and OpenAI in our action. And we want that as soon as a new review will be created on our business in Google Business Profile, automatically a reply or a response should be generated by using OpenAI for that same comment. Now here we can find that our action is a response towards our trigger, because when the trigger happens, that means when the review is created on our business, then only the response of that review is generated by using OpenAI, otherwise not. Okay, now after understanding this concept, let's start creating this workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application, and that will be Google Business Profile. Now the name of Google My Business is changed to Google Business Profile. So here we are going to select Google Business Profile as our trigger application. Okay, now we will select trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. And we want that whenever a new review will be created on our business in Google Business Profile, the response of that review should be captured automatically here in Pabbly Connect. So our trigger event will be new review. Let's select it, and now we will click on connect. As we do that, it is asking us two options: add new connection or select existing connection for building the connection with business profile account. So I have already built the connection with my business profile account, so I'm going to go with existing connection. In order to build a new connection, you need to click on this add new connection button, and then you have to click on sign in with Google. After selecting your account, you will be able to connect Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect. Okay, now let me select existing connection, and we will click on save. As we do that, we can find that Google Business Profile is now successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So we will move further. Now here it is asking us to select the account. I have already selected my account with the name as Parampara. The next is the location name. So location also I have selected as Parampara. Okay. Now after selecting both these things, we have to click on save and send test request button to capture the response. But let me tell you one thing, that because Google Business Profile is based on polling time of 8 hours, now when we are going to click on the save and send test request button, we are going to capture the response of the last review which was created in our Google Business Profile account. Okay, so we are going to capture the response of the last created review. Let's click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have received the response. So in the response, we have received all the details related to the review, which was last created for our business in Google Business Profile account. Okay. And here we can find the comment is given. Really a nice collection. Okay. So we have received this response. That means we have successfully built an integration between Google Business Profile account and Pabbly Connect. So now whenever a review will be created on our business, automatically the response of that review or comment will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now after receiving this response, we will move forward. And my next objective is to generate a reply for this comment. Okay. And that I am going to do with the help of OpenAI. So with the help of OpenAI, I am going to generate the reply for the comment. Okay. So we will connect OpenAI with Pabbly Connect. For that, we will move towards our action step, and in our action application, here I am going to search for OpenAI. Let's do that. And now we will select our action event. In our action, we want to generate the reply for the comments which are created on our business. So here we will select generate content option as our action event. Okay. We will click on connect. And now from the given options, I am going to select existing connection as I have already built the connection with my OpenAI account. In order to build a new connection, you need to click on this add new connection button, and then you have to provide a token over here. Now, in order to find a token, first of all, you need to log into your OpenAI application, and then you have to click on this hyperlink. Once you will do that, it is going to take you towards the API key page of OpenAI, from where you can generate your new token and paste it over here. Okay, so let me select existing connection and we will click on save. As we do that, we can find that OpenAI is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So we will move further, and here we need to enter the details in these fields in order to generate the content. Okay, first of all, it is asking us to select the AI model. By using what model you want to generate your content. Here we have several options. So I'm going to select this Text the Vinci 003 model because it is most used and most capable model of ChatGPT 3 series. Okay, so I have selected it. The next is the prompt. Prompt is the command which we need to provide to OpenAI that what we want it to do for us. Here our objective is to generate the replies for the comment which we are receiving from Google Business Profile. So here my prompt will be generate a response for Google Business Profile review, and here I am going to enter the review which we have received. So we have already received the review in our earlier response, that is from Google Business Profile response. Here I am simply going to select the previous response, and here I will map the data. Now what is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here are all the details related to our previous step which we have received. We want to map the comment, so we will simply select that will be mapped automatically. Now when we have mapped this comment, it has become static, and now it is going to change with each and every response. So now whenever a new Google Business Profile review will be captured in Pabbly Connect, automatically that review is going to replace with a new review. Okay, but in case if we will enter it manually, let's suppose here we have entered the sentence that is generate a response for Google Business Profile review manually, so it has become static now, and now it is not going to change with each and every response. So wherever in the workflow we want that data should get changed automatically, there we map it by using previous step, and when we want that data should remain same with each and every response, then we type it manually, and that is called as static mapping. Now after entering the prompt, let's move further. The next thing it is asking us is the maximum tokens. What maximum number of token you want to use in order to generate the content? Because here my objective is to generate the reply for the comment which we are receiving on our business, I am going to keep the maximum token as 100. Okay, so here I want to generate the reply for the reviews within 100 words. Okay, the maximum limit which you can use here is 2048 and the default value is 256. Okay, the next is the sampling type. Here we have two options, temperature sampling and nucleus sampling. So whatever sampling you are going to select, you need to provide the value for that sampling over here. The default value over here is temperature sampling, so I'm going to go with temperature sampling, and now we need to provide the value for that. Okay, so the temperature controls randomness in our content. Here we have the range of 0 to 1. If you're going to select 0, your content will be repetitive, but if you're going to select 1, your content will be random. 0.7 is the default value over here, so I'm going to select 0.7. Okay, the next is presence penalty, which increases the chance of involving new topics in your content. Okay, here also we have to provide the range, that is -2 to +2, and the default value is 0 over here, so I'm going to select 0. And at last we have frequency penalty. It decreases the chance of involving the same terms or repeating the same lines in your content. It also has a range of -2 to +2, and the default value is 0, so I'm going to enter 0 over here. Now we will simply click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can find that we have received the response, and in the response we have received the reply for the comment. Thank you for the kind words. We are so glad you enjoyed our collection. Okay, so here the reply is generated, and now we are going to post this reply on the comment which we have recently generated. For that, once again we are going to collect Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect. So let's click on this Add Action Step button, and here I'm going to select the action application as Google Business Profile. We will select it, and now we need to select the action event that will be create reply. Let you create a reply to the user review. Okay, let's select it. We will click on connect and we will go with the existing connection only. Let's click on save. And here once again we have connected Google Business Profile successfully with Pabbly Connect. So we will move further. Now it is asking us two details, review name as well as the reply you want to post. Select a review from here or map the review ID returned on the Google My Business account trigger. Google My Business is Google Business Profile now. You need to map the review ID here from the trigger which has value like accounts, location, reviews. So here it is asking us the name or the ID of the review. We have to make sure that we will enter a name or the ID of the review which could be dynamic. That means it could change with each and every response, okay, because we are creating an automation over here. So in order to do that, first of all, we need to click on this mapping button. And when we will turn this mapping button on, here we can find that a review ID is here. Okay, so we will delete this existing data and then we will simply map the review ID from our previous response. So here our review ID is given, that is with the name, with the heading as name. We will simply select it and it is mapped. Now because we have mapped this review ID, it is going to change with each and every response. Okay, and as soon as a new review will be created on our business, automatically the ID of that review will come here in place of this particular ID. Okay, the next is the reply which you want to post. So we have already generated a reply by using OpenAI. Let's map it over here. Thank you for your kind words. Okay, so this is the reply. Let's click on save and send test request button. And we can find that here we have received the response. In the response, we have received the ID. Okay, and this means that the reply is successfully posted on the comment. Let's go and check on Google Business Profile. So this is my business with the name as Parampara. And what we are going to do, first of all, we will refresh this page once. And now we are going to click on this view all Google reviews. Okay, we will click on the newest. So this is the newest comment, really a nice collection, and here is the response from the owner. Thank you for your kind words. We are so glad you enjoyed our collection. Okay, this means that our workflow is perfectly successful. And now whenever a new review will be created on our business in Google Business Profile, automatically a reply will be generated by using OpenAI, and then the same reply will be posted automatically on that comment. Okay, so this means that our workflow is perfectly successful. So this means that we have successfully built an integration between Google Business Profile and OpenAI, and now whenever a review will be created on our business in Google Business Profile, automatically a reply will be generated for that same comment by using OpenAI, and then the same comment will be posted on that reply. Okay. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in this workflow. So we have taken 3 simple steps, trigger and 2 actions. In trigger, we have taken Google Business Profile, which was earlier Google My Business. And then in action, we have taken OpenAI as well as Google Business Profile once again. And we have connected all of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new review will be posted on our business in Google Business Profile, the response of that review will be automatically captured here in Pabbly Connect. And by using that response, automatically a reply will be generated with the help of OpenAI for that same comment. And then the same reply will be automatically posted on the comment. Okay, this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.